So I got the underside, the bottom of this undercoated, and what is this? This long piece of black steel. That's the drive shaft. Oh my God, it's got a drive shaft in it. I got this made in Mississauga, and it cost me 325 bucks. I gave them measurements from weld to the weld on the other side. Got it built, got it balanced, done in 2 days. No problems with their service. Friendly guys to deal with. Got my products done pretty fast, so pretty happy. Let's get this thing put down and onto the tires, and then I've got brakes, I've got drive shaft. I can drive this thing for the first time in 4 years, I'm gonna say. Super excited. So there you go. I know the lighting's pretty shitty here in the shop, but she's lowered down to her ride height. That is low. But that's what I wanted. I realized I don't have a battery in it, so I can't really start it up and drive it. But I'm thinking maybe the front end can go an inch lower. Super happy on how it looks. Just super happy to see it sitting under its own weight. And as you can see, when we put the Toyota axle in the back of it, we actually did move the axle back about 1 inch. Now it's more centered in the factory wheel wells, but this truck looks fantastic. Just starting to take my breath away. We have some of the interior in it now. We got the bench seat in it. We got the driver's side door handles painted and installed, same as the locks. We got the glass. We got the new door seals. We got the door panels, all the handles. It's starting to really come together. This truck is definitely going to be on the road this summer. The new door seals make it really hard to close that door. So I'm going to see what I can do about that, but everything on this truck is really starting to come together. And the best part is the list is actually getting smaller of what I need to do to it. Like realistically, I'm pretty sure this is the rest of the list. So it's been getting smaller every time. And I've even scratched some stuff off, like the drive shaft, tranny mount, all that fun stuff. So a lot of it's pretty easy stuff to do too, but then again, some of it's pretty hard. Like I got an oil leak somewhere I need to find. Driver's side door, that'll take almost probably 8 to 10 hours by itself. Yeah, but coming along good. I did order an EGR valve, gauge, EG exhaust gas temperature gauge through eBay, and also a boost gauge through eBay. So those will be here soon, and we'll install those. The fender mirrors, I'm still waiting on you guys to come up with a decision on the internet to figure out which ones. But so far it's like 4 for black, 2 for chrome. And the wife is one of those votes, so we'll see.